Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Shukla Guide. Today we will discuss about Jackboard Class 12 Accountancy Model Set 1 Objective. Now look the question. Question number 1. Which of the following is not a not-for-profit organization? So the correct answer should be option C, Maruti Udyog. Now question number 2. Jharkhand Academic Council is, the correct answer is option B, non-trading organization. Question number 3. Partnership agreement can be, option is C, oral or written. Question number 4. In an ordinary partnership, just look the question. In English it is mentioned minimum number, but in Hindi एक सामान्य साझेदारी में साझेदारों की संख्या अधिकतम हो सकती है. So the English question should be, in an ordinary partnership maximum number of partners can be, the answer should be option C, 50. Question number 5. Goodwill is, the answer is option B, an intangible asset. Now look next question, question number 6. Profits of last 3 years were rupees 6,000, 13,000, 8,000. The value of goodwill at 2 years purchase of average profit will be, here first we have to add all the average, 6,000 plus 13,000 plus 8,000. It will become 27,000. Then for finding out the average profit, we should divide 27,000 by 3. It becomes 9,000. Then to find goodwill, we have to multiply it by 2, because in the question it is mentioned that goodwill should be at the 2 years purchase of average profit. So 9,000 into 2, it will become 18,000. So the correct answer will be 18,000. Option number D. Next question number 7. For the firm, interest on drawings is, the correct option is income, because interest on drawing is given by the partners to the firm. So it is an income for the firm. Now next question, question number 8. X and Y shares profit in the ratio 2:3. Now they decided to share profits equally, in which partner will sacrifice and in which ratio. So here we have to find out the sacrificing ratio. For sacrificing ratio, we use the formula old ratio minus new ratio. So the old ratio of X is 2/5 and for Y is 3/5. And the new ratio of both partners X and Y will be 1/2 and 1/2, as they share profits equally. Now we have to subtract. For X, we have to find the new ratio by subtracting 1/2 from 2/5. And for Y, we have to subtract 1/2 from 3/5. After that, we will get that Y will be sacrificed 1/10. I will give this maths portion after the questions over. Now the correct answer will be Y sacrifice 1/10. I will give the calculation for that. Now question number 9. Gaining ratio is calculated. Correct option is B, at the time of retirement of a partner. Now question number 10. A and B are partners sharing profits in the ratio 5:4. They admit C for 1/5 share of profit. What will be the sacrificing ratio of A and B? Just look, here new ratio is not given. So when new ratio is not given, the old ratio will be sacrificing ratio. So the correct answer of question number 10 is option B, 5:4. Now 11 number, on the admission of a partner, the correct answer will be old partnership is dissolved. Just remember, when a new partner came, the firm should not be dissolved. Only the old partnership is dissolved and a new partnership will formed. Now next, question number 12. A, B and C are partners with profit sharing ratio as 5:3:2. A retires, find the gaining ratio. When A retires, for finding the gaining ratio, we just omit the ratio of A, that is 5. So the gaining ratio of B and C will be 3:2. So the correct answer is option A, 3:2. Now question number 13. The old profit sharing ratio among R, S and T were 2:2:1. The new profit sharing ratio after S retirement is 3:2. The gaining ratio. For finding the gaining ratio, we use the formula new profit sharing ratio minus old profit sharing ratio. So the new profit sharing ratio of R 3/5 and S 2/5. And the old ratio is for R 2/5. Just one second. We have to find the gaining ratio of R and T because S retire. So the new ratio of R is 3/5 and T is 2/5. And the old ratio of R is 2/5 and old ratio of T is 1/5. So when we minus the old ratio from the new ratio, we will get the gaining ratio. I will give you the calculation. Now you just do one thing. The subtract 2/5 from 3/5 for R and subtract 1/5 from 2/5 for T. Thus we will get 1/5 for both the partners. So the ratio will be 1:1. So the correct option will be 1:1. Now look 14 number question. How is goodwill recorded at the time of retirement of a partner? So the correct option is A. Remaining partner's capital account debit to retiring partner's capital account. For question number 15, how is gaining ratio calculated? So you have to write the formula. Option number B, new ratio minus old ratio. Now question number 16, on the death of a partner in a firm, final payment are made through executor's account. Option number B. Now look question number 17. Revaluation account is prepared at the time of admission of a partner, retirement of a partner, death of a partner. So the correct answer will be D, all of these. Now 18 number, current asset of the asset side of the current assets of the asset side of the balance sheet of a company includes sundry debtors, cash in hand, stock, all of this. So the correct answer will be option D, all of this. Now 19 number, the ideal liquid ratio is option B, 1:1. Now number 20, formula of inventory turnover ratio. The correct answer is option A, cost of revenue from operation by average inventory. Now 21 number, a company is, correct answer is option C, an artificial legal person. For 22, again the question, there is a mistake, the minimum number, it should be the maximum number. Just look, when English question is wrong, we have to see the Hindi question. निजी कंपनी के अधिकतम सदस्यों की संख्या कहाँ तक सीमित है? So the English would be the maximum number of members in a private company is limited to 200. Correct option is option D, 200. Now question number 23. Shareholders get, option B, dividend. Now look next questions. Question number 24. The portion of the capital which can be on the winding up of the company called up. So the correct answer will be option C, uncalled capital. 25 number, a company can issue its shares at a premium under which of the following section of the Indian Companies Act 2013. So the correct answer will be option C, 52. Under section 52, company can issue shares at a premium. Now question number 26, share application account is a personal account, option A. 27 number, right shares issued to existing shareholders. Just remember, right shares and bonus shares both are issued to existing shareholders. Question number 28, balance of share for future account transferred to option number B, capital reserve account. Now 29 number, debenture holders are the dash. Option C is the correct answer, creditors of the company. Now we'll move to the next questions. Question number 30, rate of interest on debenture is a dash. Just remember, rate of interest on debenture will be at a fixed rate. The rate which is fixed, interest on debenture will be given on that fixed rate. So the correct option is option C. Now question number 31, debentures are exhibited under the heading long-term borrowings. Correct answer is C, long-term borrowings. 32 number question, profit on cancellation of own debentures is transferred to capital reserve. 32, option number D, capital reserve. Now 33 number, a company had trade receivable worth 1 lakh in 2020. Again, there is a mistake in English question. It is mentioned 2,80,000, but it will be 80,000 only. Just look Hindi questions. एक कंपनी के पास 2020 एवं 2021 में व्यापारिक प्राप्तियां क्रमशः 1,80,000 थे. किस प्रतिशत की दर से इसमें परिवर्तन हुआ है? So the correct answer will be 1 lakh in 2020 and 80,000 in 2021. So the amount decreased by 20,000, and for calculating the percentage, we'll write 20,000 by the old amount, that is 1 lakh into 100. Thus we get the correct answer, 20%. Option A, 20%. Now question number 34. In a common size statement, the amount of net sales assumed to be equal to dash. Option C will be the correct answer, 100. 35 number, debenture holder receives interest. Option number B is the correct answer. Just remember, shareholders will get dividend and debenture holders will receive interest. Remember this thing. Now next, question number 36. Profit and loss statement is also called, the correct answer will be option B, income statement. Now 37 number, changes in inventory. We have to write the formula, that is option A, opening stock minus closing stock. 38 number, cash flow statement is related to option A. A is 3. 39 question, which one of the following is not a non-cash item? So the not a non-cash means that is a cash item. So the correct answer will be option A, cash sales. Just remember, depreciation is a non-cash, goodwill written off is also non-cash, provision for bad debts is also non-cash item. But the question is that which is not a non-cash item, that is cash sales. Now question number 40. Payment of dividend will come under what type of activity while preparing cash flow statement? So just remember this thing, payment of dividend will be a financing activities. Question number 40, answer should be option B, financing activities. Just remember this thing, payment of dividend will be financing activities, but receipt of dividend is always investing activities. Just remember these two difference. Payment of dividend will be financing activities in cash flow statement, but receipt of dividend will be an investing activities in cash flow statement. Okay, now I will give you the calculation of the maths of question number 8, 13 and 33.